Morning, children. Our today's topic is the reported speech. What do you mean by reported speech? We can record the words that people say in two ways. One is direct speech and the other is indirect speech. We use the reported speech to report what the other person has said, but we don't use the speaker's exact words. Means in direct speech, we use the actual words spoken by the speaker, but in indirect speech, the words are reported by someone else. And the structure is a little different depending on whether we want to change a statement sentence, a question sentence, or a request sentence. We show the reported speech, the actual words spoken by the speaker, in inverted commas, means quotation marks. But in reported speech, quotation marks are not used. Verb tenses, pronouns, and some time and place words also change because the time, place, and speaker may be different. First word inside the reported speech, inside the inverted commas, starts with a capital letter. But in indirect speech, we use that to introduce the reported speech and remove the inverted commas. The reporting verb may be in the present or in the past. If it is in the present tense, we don't change the tense. But if it is in the past tense, there are some tense, person, and place changes, right? Now, what are the verb and tense changes over there? It's a chart. Children, please note it down in your notebooks. First of all, we start with simple present tense. Simple present tense changes to simple past. Simple past tense changes to past perfect tense. Present continuous tense changes to past continuous. And past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Present perfect tense changes to past perfect tense. Past perfect tense does not change. And modal verbs like can, may, will, shall, etc. change into could, might, would, should, etc. Past perfect and past perfect continuous tenses do not change in reported speech. Please note down, they remain unchanged. And when we report universal truths, whether the reporting verb is in present tense, in past tense, or future tense, does not matter. When we report universal truths, we don't change simple present to simple past tense. For example, now time and place changes. In direct speech, we use ago, but in reported speech, it changes to before. Today changes to that day. Tonight changes to that night. These, those, yesterday, the day before, now, then. Last becomes the previous month, yeah, previous day, etc. Next becomes the following. Tomorrow is also the following, yeah, the next day, yeah, next month, etc. Here changes to there. Changes in pronouns, possessives. You might be seeing this chart. I, you. Subject changes in she or he. We or you in subject. When it is in the place of a subject, it changes to they. Me or you. Object noun. Object pronoun, sorry. Changes to him or her. Us and you changes to them. Determiners of my or your change to his or her. Mine and yours change to his or hers. Our and your changes to their, and ours and yours change to theirs. This changes to that, these changes to those. Here is an example. Garfield and Pookie. You can see them in pictures. Garfield is saying something to Pookie. He is saying, you are my best friend. If we write it in a sentence, Garfield said, comma, inverted commas begin, Pookie is my best friend. Then how will we change it into indirect speech? Garfield said that Pookie was his best friend. Or we can change the sentence also. We can write it another way. Garfield said to Pookie, comma, inverted commas begin, you are my best friend. Here we will change said to told. Garfield told Pookie that he was his best friend. Now see children, we say something but we tell somebody. Said to is changed to told if it is followed by an object like Garfield said to Pookie. Then we will change said to told. Now to does not follow told. Said to, but we will use told only, not told to, right? Now here is an exercise also. Rewrite these sentences in reported speech in your grammar notebooks. Number 1, I watch a film on Saturdays, Caroline said. Should I tell you the answer? Caroline said that she watched a film on Saturdays. Is it correct? No, because she watches a film every Saturday. Saturdays is there, na? So the answer will be Caroline said that she watches a film on Saturdays. Number 2, he is my best friend. Fred told me. Fred told me that he, third person pronouns don't change. He was his best friend. Number 3, the scarf is in my bag, Janie said. Janie said, now you might be saying here is no object. No object is there in this sentence. So we will use said only. Jenny said that the scarf was in her bag. This film wasn't very interesting. Tom told me. Tom told me this work is already done for you. Tom told me that that film had not been, was will change into had not been very interesting. This isn't my school, Jerry said. So the answer will be Jerry said that that was not his school. Okay, so rest of the sentences are for you only. You will do them yourselves in your English grammar notebooks. I hope you have understood very well. Thank you and have a nice day. If you get any problem, you are free